Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Monday.com with Zapier using AI field enrichment, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Monday.com account. Make sure you have your Zapier account open in another tab. Navigate to your Monday.com board where you want to integrate the AI field enrichment. Identify the specific columns you want to enhance with AI data. Go to Zapier and click on Make a Zap to start creating a new integration. In the Trigger section, search for and select Monday.com. Choose the trigger event that fits your needs, such as new item or updated item. Connect your Monday.com account to Zapier by following select the specific board you wish to pull data from. Next, you will set the action step in Zapier. Search for AI field enrichment in the Action app options. Choose the appropriate AI data service that can enrich your Monday.com data. Connect your account for the AI service if prompted to do so. In the action setup, specify the fields from Monday.com that you wish to enrich. Map the relevant columns in your Monday.com board to the fields provided by the AI service. After setting up the action, test the integration to ensure it works correctly. Verify that the enriched data is appearing as expected in your Monday.com board. If all looks good, name your Zap and turn it on. Monitor the integration for a few days to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. You now have automated field enrichment in your Monday.com board via Zapier. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.